Hello everybody, my name is Maxim Bonder. I'm Senior Portfolio and Brand Manager for Logitech. I'm working on premium mice and keyboards for Logitech in Lausanne, Switzerland. And I'm going to quickly introduce you our latest additions to MX Master series. So, MX Master 3, it's the latest generation of a famous MX Master. The core innovation that we are bringing is a mag speed hyper-fast scroll wheel over here. It's now driven by the latest technology, electromagnets. The technology has been developed and manufactured in Switzerland. We can say that now we can scroll 1,000 lines in 1 second, and it's 90% faster than a regular scrolling wheel of a regular mouse. How it's done? The wheel is controlled by two electric magnets, and in the precise mode, every step of the wheel is controlled by the magnetic force. But then when you start to push the wheel, it automatically switches to the hyper-fast mode. The polarity of the magnets is changed and the magnetic force is kept inside. So the wheel, the machined stainless steel wheel, is not anymore controlled by the magnet, and it can spin as fast as it can, offered by the weight of the stainless steel. The thumb area has been completely redesigned. The thumb wheel has become bigger. The front and back buttons have received their own location, and it's now really easy to remember where they're located and press them at the moment that you need them, using your muscle memory without looking at the mouse and searching for them. The sensor that we have in the mouse is a 4000 dpi track-on-glass sensor. This is best Logitech's sensor for any kind of surface. It tracks even on glass, so it means that regardless of the surface, regardless of the environment, you are traveling, you are on the meeting, you are on your desk, the mouse will deliver perfect tracking experience. So that's key information about the mouse. Let me move to the keyboard. So keyboard has perfect stroke typing technology on board. This is best Logitech scene typing experience. The next thing is a smart backlighting. We call it smart because it is controlled by two sensors. We have a proximity sensor. This is the antenna installed in the keyboard, and it feels, it understands when you come to your desk, you move your hands closer to the keyboard. Keyboard feels it and it illuminates.
Dieses Video wird euch von Devolo Magic präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
The second sensor is the ambient light sensor. It's located inside this LED. It reads the level of illumination around the room, and it sets the backlighting to the level that it's best for this kind of situation. Also, you will never be left without the battery in the middle of the important project that you're working on. When the battery level reaches 10%, the sensor will switch off the backlight, and you would be still able to type without the backlighting for 2 or 3 weeks. The keyboard is heavy. It's built out of on the single metal plate. It's a full-size keyboard, but it's rather compact, so you would be able to definitely find a good place for it on your desktop. And together with the mouse, they really help you to create a productive modern environment. Both of the products are charged with USB-C cable. Both of the products support easy switch technology, so like you can connect up to 3 different devices, either to mouse or to the keyboard, and just switch between these devices pressing the button. Also, both of them support flow technology. It's when you can connect mouse and keyboard to PC or Mac or PC, and then just moving the mouse to the edge of the screen both mouse and keyboard switches to the next device automatically, so that you control with one set of mouse and keyboard 2 computers simultaneously, and you can even copy-paste files and folders between them. So it could be quite handy for the advanced users that often use different operating systems to work on their projects. So we are announcing our products on September 4th, and we expect that the same date products will be available on Logitech.com and in key retailers. The price is €109 for MX Master 3 and €109 for MX Keys keyboard. We also have a keyboard with the palm rest. It's called MX Keys Plus. This keyboard will be priced €119 and also will be available as of September.